Outside Nigeria, the United States Supreme Court on Friday overturned its landmark decision in Roe v. Wade that established the right to an abortion, with a ruling that marks a seismic shift in abortion law and will usher in new rules limiting or banning access to the procedure half of the states, in some places immediately. The decision to undo nearly 50 years of precedent will have sweeping ramifications for tens of millions of women across the country for protection, and there is more in this report.
A landmark ruling, the Supreme Court today legalized abortions.
It was 1973 when women across America were given the right to choose abortion. This has now been reversed on Friday. Many millions of women across America will no longer have the right to access abortion. It has been taken away from the Constitution. It is the first time in America's history a constitutional right like this has been removed. And as of Friday, it is expected that 25 or 26 of the 50 states in America will severely restrict or ban abortion. Vast swaths of the southern states of America, the likes of Texas, Louisiana, Kansas, Mississippi, also vast swaths of the Middle West, places like Missouri, Michigan, Wisconsin, places where millions and millions of women live. They will no longer have the right to access abortion as they did 2 days ago. It really is a massive moment for America, something that pro-life anti-abortion campaigners have been asking for decades. And it's been made possible by a newly right-leaning Supreme Court. This ruling means that America, already so bitterly divided, will become even more so. There will be two different Americas when it comes to abortion. It's roughly divided like the electoral map, following the same trend when it comes to abortion. So the red states, the Republican states, will further restrict or even ban completely abortions, whereas the blue states will maintain access to abortions. Women living in red states will no longer be able to access the service unless they can afford to travel across state lines. And that really is the potential for these conflicts to become even more bitterly divided because of this historic decision. The ruling indicates that 6 of the 9 Supreme Court judges ruled to overturn Roe v. Wade, the historic 1973 ruling which legalized abortion nationwide to the point of fetal viability, so that when a fetus could survive outside the womb, that's generally thought of as being around 23 or 24 weeks into pregnancy.